What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Panda. So before I even start this video, I want to say this video is not sponsored, not endorsed, not affiliated. I'm not promoting any product for anyone. No one sent me anything in the mail or sent me a payment. I purchased this with my own money. Keep in mind that I do have a range of Irix lenses. Now this is the Irix ND 1000. This is a 10-stop ND filter and it's mind-blowing. I'm gonna say it right off the back, I repeat, I do not see any color shift whatsoever in my images. I do not see any loss in contrast, any loss in sharpness. I don't even see a hint of any color distortion. So that's good. Slim profile, very nice. So let's go take this out. Let's go play with it. Let me show you the results. Alright everybody, as you can see, I had to switch my composition and the location. In the center of the bridge, it's just unstable. It's not possible to take a long exposure without traffic coming by. So I had to switch to a more solid ground, but this time I don't have to use my book bag as a stabilizer. With that said, I got a shot of the beautiful city, Big Pink, the hills from the side, and look at that diamond range. Look at that cloud cover. Oh my goodness. So I took a photo, long exposure in 20 seconds, at 16, ISO 100, and I think it looks fabulous. I think it just looks great. Alright, I'm emphasizing motion and texture at the same time as this train rolls by. And what I want to show you is this. This is a beautiful image of this image. And you can see the longest one. So I'm going to show you guys a few things that I do love about this ND filter. For one, it is 3.5 mil, ultra thin, and very lightweight. Another is that it does have an oil and water repellent surface on both sides of the ND filter. In some ND manufacturing processing, you don't get both sides coated. So with that said, the design of this ND filter that I noticed has no vignette in the corners, which is great for 95 thread, and it's pretty premium and very expensive. But both sides do have an anti-reflective nano coating, and as I said, I love the detail on this ND filter. I even love the detail in the thread count, because if you do have an Irix lens, this may vary based on third-party lenses as well. Irix designed this ND filter to be exactly aligned perfectly. What I mean is, you see that Irix logo there? Pay attention to that. As I thread this on, and it gets closer to 15 Irix 2.4, you can feel the tension. And once you get a nice tight grip and lock onto your lens, it should be aligned with the lens's information as well. So this is why I love that kind of detention, detail to the ND filter. But yeah, it's really awesome ND filter. I had no problems taking long exposures during the day, and honestly, within the first like 2 hours using it, I got used of using the ND filter properly on the Irix 15 2.5 wide angle lens. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you have seen the results for this ND filter. I'm no expert on ND filters, but I have my fair share of experience with some really high quality ND filters. And I have to say, this is by far the best I ever had yet. So please do subscribe, like, share. It's very windy up here, so I do apologize. But with that said, eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. Now I will see you guys in the next video. You guys can take yourselves. Happy shooting.